Right, good day and welcome. We're busy with learning exercise 5.5. This unit we will be determining the value of trig ratios using a calculator. So, given to you sine 40 degrees. So there you should see the sine. I press sine 40 degrees. I press in 40 and then equal. So sine 40 equals 0.642787. Instruction always say round off to 2 decimal places. So after 4 I have a value 2 which is less than 5. So therefore my answer is 0.64. Can also give you where we have a coefficient in front of cos. So 2 cos 42. I can punch in all in one go and press 2 cos 42 degrees equal to, so there if you do cos 42 separate, 0.74 times 2 then gives me 1.49. So you look there, after the value 8, I have 6, 6 is bigger than 5, so 8 needs to be rounded up to 9. So therefore my answer is 1.49. Alright, now we can take it a step further now, and now we're working with sine 236. So if I put the 2 by the angle, we first multiply. 2 times 36 then becomes 72. Now I don't know why I changed sine to cos, but yeah, it is still sine. So now on my calculator, I need to find sine 72. So sine 72, and that equals, wrong button, equals 0.95. So my apologies here again for my error. It's normal in maths, sometimes we rush through because we think something is easy and we make errors. So that's 0.95. Right. Go to the next situation, and I'm trying to show you all the different ways we test. So if I say sine squared 22, it's the same as saying sine 22 all squared. I hope you note. Now if I press in sine 22 on a calculator, I get 0.37. So 0.37 squared then becomes 0.14. Go to the next one. Now I have cos squared 1164 plus sine squared 268.68. So that is the same as saying cos 116.4 degrees all squared plus 2 times sine 268.6 degrees all squared. That becomes 0.44 squared, and that becomes negative 1 squared. It then simplifies to 0.9 plus 2, which then equals 2.19. If I look at tan 143.8, if I punch it into the calculator, I get minus 0.73. If I press in tan 68.2, that gives me 2.5. From there, add the two values together, and I get minus 3.23. Right, and sometimes we will test you with the reciprocals of sine, cos, and tan. So if I have cosec 142, I'm first required to press it in as, or change it to 1 over sine 142. Then I can find sine 142, which is 0.62. 1 divided by 0.62 then becomes 1.61. Go to the other side, sec 10 plus cot 50. Reciprocal of sec is cos. So sec 10 is 1 over cos of 10 degrees. Cot 50 is 1 over tan 50 degrees. Cos 10 is 0.98. Tan 50 is 1.19. 1 divided by that plus 1 divided by that gives me 1.86. So this is very easy. All you need is a calculator. Don't forget it at home, unless you memorize the whole timetable from 0 up to 1,000,000. Okay, all the best. I know.